Okay guys, this is question number 12 on the Edexcel GCSE 9 to 1 Maths, okay, paper 1, November 2022 series for the higher tier, and is looking at solving simultaneous equations. So solve the simultaneous equations, 5x plus 2y equals 11, 4x plus 3y equals 6. So I'm going to label the first one here as equation 1 and equation 2. The key with these guys is I want to try and get it so I have the same number of x's or the same number of y's in both equations, okay, and I can solve it then by the elimination method. So if I multiply equation 1, okay, by 3 and equation 2, okay, by 2, that will get me the same number of y's in both equations. So I'm going to have 15x plus 6y is equal to 33. Okay, so I'll multiply everything by 3 in the first equation, and I'll label that as equation number 3. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Let's just label that at the end. Okay, and the second equation, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I'm going to have 8x plus 6y is equal to 12. I've now got the same number of y's and the same signs, so I can subtract one from the other. So I label this is number 3 and this is number 4. So I'm going to do equation 3, subtract equation 4. Now you subtract the equations when the signs, okay, are the same. Okay, so if it was minus 6y, I would subtract it as well. If the signs were different, then I would actually add the equations. Okay, that's the key to remember. So 15x take away 8x is going to be 7x. 6y minus 6y just goes. So I get 7x is equal to 33 minus 12 is going to be 21. I'm now going to divide both sides of my equation by 7 to get x by itself. So I get 7x sevenths is equal to 21 sevenths. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 is my solution for x. I'm now going to substitute x equals 3 back into either equation 1 or equation 2. It doesn't actually matter which one, okay, as long as we work out a value for y. Okay, I'm going to sub in here into equation 2 to make it a bit easier. So I'm going to have 4 lots of 3 plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, hopefully you're happy with my substitution there. 4 times 3 is 12. I've got 12 plus 3y is equal to 6. Subtract 12 on both sides and then divide through by the 3. So we get that y is equal to 6 subtract 12 all divided by 3 when I rearrange it to make y the subject. So I've taken 12 on both sides and then divided through by 3, okay, to get y is equal to 6 minus 12 over 3. So I get y is equal to minus 6 thirds, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, so my solution to these simultaneous equations is x equals positive 3 and y equals minus 2. So x equals 3 and y equals minus 2. Okay, they are my solutions to these simultaneous equations. Now, a little side note, guys. Okay, also you could say that so the coordinates 3 minus 2, that will be the intersection of the two lines. Okay, so if you were to plot these graphically, okay, the point 3 minus 2, that is where the two lines would intersect, i.e. meet, okay, at that point. Okay, so that's how to obviously understand that here graphically. Okay, so you will also be tested at GCSE maths on how to solve simultaneous equations graphically. Okay, but that's like a little insight. Okay, if you solve them algebraically, that's where the two lines, okay, cross one another. Okay, so it would look something as like a rough sketch here. It would look something, I'm guessing, okay, so this would be y is equal to minus 5/11 x, okay. No, sorry, I've made a mistake here, so I apologize, sorry. So, yeah, they are both going to have like a negative gradient, okay, 3 minus 2, so it'd be somewhere here, okay. One line would look like that, and another line may look like this, let's say, for argument's sake, okay. And where they cross, okay, on the graph, that's where you have your solution 3 minus 2, okay? So when you solve a pair of simultaneous equations, okay, they are where the two lines intersect graphically. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best. Keep well. Keep safe. Okay, good luck with the revision. Okay, more videos coming out soon. Any topic requests, put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.